Welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about Scrum Sprint Review. The Sprint Review is a crucial part of the Scrum framework, where the team showcases the work they have done during the sprint. The goal of the Sprint Review is to gather valuable feedback from stakeholders, and to ensure the product is on track. To conduct an effective Sprint Review, it's important to keep it engaging and interactive for everyone involved. Start by setting a clear agenda for the review meeting, and communicate it to all participants in advance. During the review, show the completed user stories and demonstrate the functionality of the product. Encourage stakeholders to provide feedback and ask questions, promoting a collaborative environment. To make the review more engaging, consider using visual aids such as charts, graphs, or presentations. Keep the presentation concise and to the point, highlighting the key accomplishments and challenges faced. Don't forget to discuss any deviations from the sprint goal and how they were handled. Discuss the progress towards the product vision and any changes that need to be made. When addressing feedback, focus on understanding the underlying concerns and exploring possible solutions. Make sure to involve the entire team in the review, allowing each member to share their insights and experiences. Use the review as an opportunity to celebrate the team's achievements and recognize individual contributions. To ensure continuous improvement, set actionable goals based on the feedback received during the review. Regularly review and revise the sprint review process to make it more effective and efficient. Remember, transparency and open communication are key to a successful sprint review. Always approach the review with a growth mindset, seeking opportunities for learning and improvement. Collaboration and active participation from all stakeholders will lead to more effective and engaging sprint reviews. Thank you for watching, and we hope you found this video helpful in conducting successful sprint reviews. If you liked the content, hit like and subscribe. Until next time.